Hello and welcome back. In this video, we'll going to take an introduction and example of LangChain. LangChain is a framework basically used in NLP projects nowadays, and it is famous. It is just came before 1 year, and that's why the resources are limited. But you can find it and you can get resources from internet, but the resources are limited. So I'm making video on LangChain. LangChain is a framework for developing an application powered by the language model. Language model. What is mean by language model? When you see a chatbot, when you see a prompt, when you see a open chat GPT, it is a platform. Whenever you ask a question, they answer you in a text format. You ask a question in a text and you get the answer in a text form. That's the language model exactly. We believe that the most powerful and differentiated application will not only call out to the language model via the API. If you create an API, it is not a very powerful or differentiated application, because we need more resources, like more resources. What? Be data aware, connected to a language model to another sources, like we can connect to the chat gpt, open chat gpt. Then we can connect to the Azure cloud, we can connect to the AWS, we can connect to the much more possibilities we have for languages. Then we have the be uh, agentic, allow the language model to interact with its environment. The environment created by a language, we can means there are three model, like LLM, chat model, and text embedding model. So we can communicate with each other. That's they are trying to say. The component for LangChain provide the modular abstraction for the component necessary to work with the LangChain model. LangChain has also collection of implementation on their all these attribution. The component are designed easy to use and regardless whether you can use the rest of the LangChain framework or not. So LangChain is divided into three model. We can say a large language model, like we use the uh, chat gpt, I can say. Or whenever we go for, if you chat, if you ask me for LLM, it is more like a chat gpt. But if you ask me for chat model or chatbot, it's like a, if you go to the HDFC bank page, or if you go to some web browser and you see a chatbot over there, like if you go to upgrade or any educational page, if you see a chatbot, it started asking you what is your requirement, what course you want to enroll for, and whatnot. They started asking you a couple of questions, and if you submit whatever they ask, they will give you uh, a brief introduction about their courses, syllabus, and all that. So this is how it is created actually, if you see. And then we have the text embedded model. This is the third type of model we cover our text embedded model. This model take the text input and return the list of float. So this is how text embedded model work. Then chatbot is the second model which cover. This model usually back by the language model, means like a chat gpt or API in the back of the model, but more structure and specify. This model use the if you see the chatbot, it is more like a design. They have some HTML or the CSS included over there. That's why it is mentioned as like back. In the back they have the language model, but if you see in the front, it you can see the API. It is well designed, well model, you can see, and you love it actually, chatbot, when you see it. So this is the model of list of chat, and the inputs are like messages or string, and you in the return you get the chat message actually. When you see, say, a chatbot hi, they return in the form of hi, hello, how are you, this like this. And then if you see the large language model, these are the first type of model we cover. This model are take the string input and return the string input. If you see the open chat gpt, it's the same one. So we'll go and perform um, one project over there with LangChain. But I'm not going to say this is because this is the start, because LangChain is a big field. In upcoming field, it is going to boom. LangChain is a good framework. You can learn a lot and a lot. And if you want, I can create a content on LangChain because I love this library. And okay, so we'll start first installing the LangChain. As usual in Python, if you want to um, do the installation, what we do, pip install LangChain. And if you want to do with conda, write a conda and start pip install LangChain. That's how you install on um Python. So we have installed already. I have installed already actually over here. And one more library I need for this is the hanging face. If you see the hanging face, it is the emoji type of library. If you see WhatsApp, and if you see the all the emojis like angry face, happy face, joy, whatever the faces is the hanging face hub. And then I have installed my pip hanging face hub. And then from LangChain, this is the library I have installed. And from LangChain, what I have taken, prompt template. And means if you open the chat gpt page, they have one strip uh, at the end where you put your question like prompt. Okay, so this is the prompt template. And in template we have a question. If you see the question, the question is in the form of what we have a key pair you can see here. Okay, and then answer we have. So it is in one template. And then we have created the prompt. So as I have imported the prompt template, in prompt template I have passed my template, whatever the template, whatever the question or the format we have, that I have passed over here. And after that we have a input variable called question. So I have created the question, and over there you can go and put your question. So if I go and create my api, so what I'll do, I'll create one prompt over there, or one bar over there, where I can put my question. Like here I have put how many color. So I'll go and put my question, how many color in a rainbow. So this is how it work. So question will be go in the back end. And that that is where it will go. It will go to input variables. So after that I'll just print my question, what is the question. Then I have what I've done, I imported the os library. It is one of the library we needed, because os.environment, because we are going to uh, I have used my token over there. So don't use my token. Even if you use my token, it will not use, because I'm going to deactivate that token after completing this video. I know. But if you see here, os.environment is equal to hanging hub api token. You need to go over there and create your own token and just put it over here. So once you have created, go down and create from LangChain, import the hanging face, because we, as I mentioned, we can import as much as third party libraries to connect with our LangChain. So I have just used my hanging face hub and LLM chain, because we need LLM chain. So I have created my hub LLM is equal to hanging face. And I have mm, given my repo ID, because I have created one repository, and I use that one. Then model name k temperature is equal to this is the, like, if you go over there and you can just copy and paste over here. So after that, create prompt template. So for creating a, after creating a prompt template, we just need to pass it. So what I've done, llm is equal to chain prompt is equal to prompt, because we have a prompt. Let me check, just give me a second. Where is our prompt? Over here, if you see, I have created a prompt over here. I'll just pass over here. I'm passing my prompt in llm chain. If you check llm chain, then I'll pass my prompt, and this is my hub, which is from hanging face. So I'll just pass my llm to lmh hub llm, and after that print print my llm chain. So I'll just print my LNChem dot run and the question. So whatever the question I'll ask here, it will run in the background and I'll get my answer. So I'll just go and um run all the thing. So just if you see here, I'll get my 7. Now what I'll do, I'll just ask a different question over here. Uh, I'll just ask what are what are the color color in the color in the rainbow. So just I'll run this one again. I'll try to. So let's check that will I'll get a question answer or not. It's I don't know how much time it take, but it should not take much time. Actually, it is a fast library. But maybe the question. Okay, I'll go. What are the color in rainbow? Yeah, it should give all the question actually. I don't know why it is not performing. Should, okay, I'll ask a simple question. What is 2 plus 2? Let's check that it is already running. Okay, I'll go up. 2 plus 2 is should give me answer 4 actually. I don't know. Maybe it is not. I don't know. Let's check. Why it is taking too much time? Actually, I have performed all this question, but sometime it take time because I don't know. Okay, I'll ask another question. Mm, who is best footballer? Is- I need to stop this again. I'll go here again. Let me try because I don't know why it is taking time. I don't know. I have performed a lot many question actually. I'll try it here. Football. Am I writing yeah, I have write the right question. Who is best football? Or I'll ask. Okay, I'll ask a simple question. What is what is what is the capital of India? Let's try this one. Stop here. Again, I'll try. I don't know why it is taking too much time, but I have performed a lot many question over here. Maybe there is some. Okay, we'll keep that question at is right now. How many color in the rainbow? I don't know. If you see, I have performed this and it is given me. Yes, क्वेश्चन का कुछ तो भी difficulty है. If I ask in a same manner, na, then and then only I get the answer actually. How many how many color in the rainbow? Now I'm getting 7. But if I change the question, let's try with again. I don't want to waste your time, but I'll try again. What are what are the colors in rainbow? Or I'll just make a new video for that. Let me try again. I don't know how much time it take. I can go and pause that video and when it appear I'll just because it is taking more time to execute actually. So just go and what what are the color in the rainbow? I'll just copy this question from here. I'll just go to my prompt and I'll just what I'll do just here. Just go here and break that and I'll try to ask. Let's see. I don't know, yaar. It is taking too much time, and maybe these are the question not available for this repository. I need to check that actually. I'll go and check. So in next video, maybe I'll try to explain more about that. Okay. So thanks for watching this video, and if you share, and subscribe with your friend. Uh, like the video, share with friends, and uh, even it's not error is for the API internal server error. I don't know what's that. I'll go and check why it is not answering. Uh, so till time, just share with your friend. Subscribe my channel because it is free to subscribe on YouTube. So you're not going to pay for anything. So thanks.